Okay guys, 2021 Chev Express 3500 four-wheel drive conversion, lifted 3 inches, camper van. Basically nothing's been built on the inside, just wood floors, and obviously it's got the fan on top, big bumpers, place to set a winch. Hooked up. Does have a backup camera here, but then they did a better one up back. 18,535 on the miles. Toggle switches, not sure. So here's the four-wheel drive. Lock key. So it's got your stakes, your manuals. It does have the ARB sunshade that comes off the side of the van here. It does have the heater not hooked up. So it does have the shelving. You know, my guess is you want to probably junk it and start over, but obviously it's kind of built out here if you did want it. Comes with the van, but so window. Someone started this, all the insulation, all been, looks like these windows open up on the side here. So basically clean slate, ski van, mountain biking van, camper van, whatever you want. This is the extended version, so this is about, my guess, almost 10 feet long, maybe longer than that, 12 feet. They put the swivel seat in here. Let's go look at the outside of this a little bit better. So there's the new sunshade you can pull out. Only 18,000 miles on this thing. Clean title, no accidents. Does have a few little dings and scratches, but cleaned up most of it. Looks pretty dang good. This thing sets 10 feet tall. Just under 10 feet. Tow package. So the rear AC's been cut out, if you see there. So you're gonna have to put, you know, a camper AC in here. These all open up, swing open. So a nice box, got a bunch of ways you can strap onto it. Shells, brand new. This was done by Wasatch Overland. So you can look these up and see what it takes to install. Quite a bit of money. So there's the fan up top, which is right there. The ARB. These are stakes for it. I do have some other fenders that are supposed to go with it that the owner has. I think they're bigger, so you don't have to cut. This still needs some work. It does need a little cutting for these tires, especially if you're going to take it off-road and it's going to rub. So it's a project. But your main stuff that needs to be there is already there. Just needs to decide what you want to build on the inside. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.